Okay, so moving on, we have conditionals. So we have if, and then we can specify a Boolean expression inside the if's parentheses, and that will conditionally execute a block of code. We have else statements. Else statements are statements directly precede or after an if statement that will execute if the if is not true. So as a result, you see that the proper if statement is valid or is evaluated to true. And of course, they become more interesting when we introduce actual input in our expressions. So very straightforward concept. What do you think about Barry's question, Jason?
Yeah, go ahead and mention it real quick.
So we have ifs, we have elses, and we also have else ifs. Else ifs are just elses with a if on them, so not surprisingly. So as a result, right here we have a else block, but then immediately after the else block we have another if block that's going to execute only if this condition is true. So now if we put in 3, we get whoa. If we put in 6, we get that. And if we put in 11, we get that.